Meet Theorie Quantum Flat Iron. This sleek, chic straightener not only straightens strands in one pass without snagging, it also safeguards against hair damage. A titanium core distributes heat evenly and calibrates every millisecond while the ceramic coating eliminates frizz and locks in moisture. Smart touch controls let you choose between 310 and 450 degrees. Go lower for fine hair and higher for thick hair. The smart memory turns it on at the same time the next day and remembers your settings. A 9-foot cord gives you room to move around and prevents tangling. Just in case you left it on post-straightening, it will automatically shut off after 60 minutes. Also fabulous, you can take it on your travels. Dual voltage means you can plug it in anywhere. And it comes with a lifetime warranty. You can't beat that.